Alright guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanic, your number one crypto friends that actually help you make money in the crypto space without having to make any single investment. So I'm very glad that you are joining me today. Thank you so much for that. And on this video guys, we are going to be talking about an airdrop which I have already introduced as far back as May 2022. You can see it up right here. I introduced this airdrop as far back as May 2022, and right here right now they are about to get listed. So what you need to do right now is simply pay close attention to the video, because we are going to be discussing about how you can actually earn the most from this airdrop, how to go around it, how to double your balance, and also we are going to be talking about the listing date and as well how to claim your badge, because the badge that you are going to be claiming is actually said to be the key to the airdrop. So right now, without wasting time, let's now dive deep into this and get to learn what we're going to be learning today and start earning. So if you are hearing this for the first time, you are not late to this project yet. You can still dive in and also make some money, as they are going to be listing very soon on the date that I'm going to be mentioning right here. So before we go ahead and dive deeply into this, please, if you enjoy this type of content, remember this channel is all about crypto airdrop, how you can go around crypto to make money for free without having to spend a dime over it. Please consider looking below the video you're watching right now and getting to click on this subscription button to subscribe to us, and after that you click on this bell icon and select all. This actually keep us motivated to provide you with more information that is gonna be helping you make money in the crypto space. And finally, do well to give us a thumbs up, share the video with your friend, and do well to drop your comments right there on the comment section. So without talking much, let's now dive deep and talk about this airdrop. So I'll be leaving the link to this airdrop on the video description down below. Make sure to check out the video description to get started on mining this airdrop. So the name of this airdrop is actually called Seed, or you can call it Seed Coin. And over here guys, this picture you are seeing right now on the screen is actually my balance at the time that I began this airdrop. So right now, let's now dive deep and let me show you guys some updates and all the things you need to take care of on this airdrop. So right now, I will click on this link right now. This is gonna be opening up the bot of this airdrop on Telegram, and over here guys, pay close attention. Let me explain to you what you need to know. So obviously, so the first thing that you are going to be seeing right here is your balance, obviously. So once you have gotten access into this is your balance. This is where what you have earned so far are being shown over here. So over here guys, you can see we have this, we have this, and we have this. So over here, this one right here, this is where you actually see your collectibles. That is the items that you have collected. So right now, what are these items? These items are normally shown right here. These items are usually a worm, a bird, or an egg. Okay, so these are the items that you collect right here. So each time you log into this bot, you look right here, because after the setting countdown, you are going to be given an item to collect right here. So to collect the item is very simple. All you have to do is simply keep on tapping on the item, like keep on tapping on the item until they say that you have caught the item, because if you tap just once, you may not be able to catch those items. Okay, so and remember, the items that you are going to be collecting right here is going to be playing a huge role on your airdrop allocation. So right now, this one is done. Remember, I said this is where you actually see the item you have collected so far, and over here, this is obviously where you spend your Telegram stars in order for you to purchase this item that you are collecting right here. So that is if you want to actually increase your airdrop allocation. That is if you want to buy the item instead of waiting for the countdown to collect it. And also, you can actually spend this seed coin that you are actually collecting from free right here. So after, you can see right here, okay, over here guys, this is where you actually collect seed coin after a certain period of time, which I'll be talking about later. So you can actually spend those seed to buy these collectibles or items which you are supposed to be collecting here after a countdown. You can actually spend your seed to buy them from this marketplace right here. So right now, what is the next thing? So over here guys, this is actually where you get to join tribe. Let's now talk about it right now. So when I click over here guys, you can see that we have different levels of tribe, ranging from the village to the next one and to the next one. Let me now waste time right there. And over here guys, the interesting thing right here is that each time you join any village right here, you are actually gonna be earning 10% on all your claims. For example, this is my own village right here. So when I click on it right now, you can see this is exactly how it looks. I created this village so new. You can see we are just two right here. You can actually join this and you are gonna be getting 5% bonuses, okay, on the in which is not the one that you are claiming regularly. This will actually give you 5% bonus on all your claims, okay. So right now, let's now go back and talk about the last thing before we dive deep into other stuffs. So over here, guys, this is where you actually have to play games, just like we have game on MinFi and TapSwap. So when I click right here, guys, on game, you can see we have the spinner egg and we have the battle seed. This battle seed is not yet playable, I guess, so you can see it is still coming up, which is coming up on September. So over here, guys, we have the spinner egg. When I click over here, guys, on spinner egg, this is actually where you get to spin, and when you spin, you are going to be given a certain amount of egg right here for free. For example, when I click right now on spin, you can see it will load up immediately and I'm going to be given an egg. You can see I got an epic egg right now. So this is how you spin it every single day, and if you have any question, you can actually click over here and this will give you a certain explanation which says that how to collect tickets. Remember, you need tickets for you before you can be able to play this game. So to collect tickets, you check in daily, which is what I've said already, and you can also invite your friends in order for you to get even more tickets. And also you can see we have the bounty quest, which is coming soon, okay. So right now, this is all for this. Let's now dive deep and talk about how you can actually be able to change your interface right here, and also how you can be able to collect your badge. Before that, you can look right down right here. If you look down, you can see we have this right here. So when this counting comes to this edge, that is after the countdown finishes, I will come right here and claim this seed, okay. Remember, this seed is very important that you claim it, because that is what you're going to be using to make your your expenses right here on this game, and also this will play a huge role on determining your airdrop allocation. So right now, let me talk about the important thing before I will go ahead to explain all this right here. So when you click over here, guys, on this tree icon over here, so let's now click it together. Once you click on it, you can see this is where some of your information has been given. For example, you can see the age of how long you have actually, you can see how long you have actually been on Telegram. I've been 4 years on Telegram and I have a premium account. This is where you actually connect your Tonekeeper wallet or any other tone-based wallet that you actually have. So over here, guys, you can see this is where you join community for more airdrop allocation, and obviously we have the badge section right here, okay. We have the badge section right here. I have missed this badge, but I actually got this one, okay. So if you haven't gotten your badge right here, click as I explained earlier and come over here to claim your own badge. Remember, they said badge is the key to our airdrop, limited and on-chain tradable. So right now, remember, you need to claim this badge because they say that it is the key to the airdrop. So not claiming this badge might actually make you not to be able to get the amount of airdrop that you are actually supposed to get, okay. So right now, the next thing is this theme. This is the current theme that I'm using. So right now, let me change to this theme right now, okay. So okay, when I click on it like this, the whole interface is gonna be changing. When I go back right now, you can see right now this is the interface that I have right now after changing my theme. Right now, I believe I have been able to explain some stuff to you. Remember, this theme doesn't actually have any effect on the amount of coin that you are earning, so it's literally the same thing, just that the interface are now different, okay. So right now, let me now talk about this end section right here, but before that, let me talk about this airdrop. Okay, so when you click right here, guys, on airdrop, this is going to be taking you to the point where you are going to be seeing a lot of stuff. So over here, these are where the criteria for the airdrop are being mentioned. For example, you can see over here, guys, your airdrop allocation is going to be mentioned based on the amount of seed that you have, which include the farm, the earn, and the bird hunts. And also you get rewarded for the amount of people that you actually refer to this project. And over here, guys, we have the achievements. This actually talks about the badge, which I've already talked about. So make sure you claim as many badges as possible. And over here, guys, we have the seed, the store, and stars. This actually is actually calculated by the amount of stars that you actually spend on this project. So if you have enough Telegram stars to spend, you can actually spend it right here, because it's gonna be helping you earn more airdrop allocation. Over here, guys, if you have subscribed to their Telegram channel, to their YouTube channel, and of course their Twitter channel, this actually plays a huge role on determining your airdrop allocation. Over here, guys, if you add seed to your name, this will also play a huge role on determining your airdrop allocation. So right now, the next thing is right now we have withdrawal right here. So over here, guys, you can see the terms or the wallet or the exchanges through which you are going to be withdrawing your coin are not yet mentioned yet. Rather, it is only the on-chain transaction that is available right now. That is, once you have connected your wallet, it means that you are now done with this on-chain right here. You are ready to withdraw through your on-chain. So right now, I believe you have understood this right now. Let's now go to the end section. When I click right here, guys, on end, you can see right here there are a couple of things that you need to do right here, which is going to be increasing the amount of seed that you actually have. For example, if you boost the seed Telegram channel, you actually get 10 seed for that. Okay, so also we have the daily login section. For example, when I click on start, this is going to be loading up and this is going to be confirming my daily login. Okay, you can see I have been logging in consecutively for 4 days. Okay, and each time you claim your daily login, you actually get a certain amount of seed for that. Okay, so right now we have some other stuff right here which include subscribing to the YouTube channel and all that. So these are the things that are actually going to be earning you a certain amount of seed according to the amount that was tagged to them accordingly. Okay, so that is how simple it is to mine this seed. So right now the next thing is boost. So over here, guys, on boost, you can see right here boost. This is where you actually get to increase the rate at which you earn this airdrop. For example, if you are claiming maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, the more that you increase your storage, the lesser the time that you actually claim. Okay, the lesser the time interval that you claim. You can see right here now that I am on the max level, which means that I can claim every 24 hours. I can relax and wait until after 24 hours. I will then come and claim. And also right here we have the tree. This tree is actually determines the amount of seed that you actually claim per time. Okay, for example, I claim I think 8 seed every 24 hours. If I want to be upgrading this, I'll be spending 90 seed, as you can see it being tagged right here. I'll be spending 90 seed in order for me to upgrade to the next level, which is level 7. Also, we have the holy water right here. This holy water is actually this is a kind of, it actually allows you to complete some certain missions, and the more mission that you complete, the more that you level up on this holy water. And this holy water literally increases the speed at which you mine this coin right here on this Telegram bot. So that is all for now. Let's now talk about this friend. Obviously, this friend is where you actually get your referral link, and this is where you actually get to refer people and earn seeds for that. You can see right here, these are the people that I've referred so far. You can see that you will both get 2 seed and 10% of your friend reward. Remember, once you join in, you are going to be getting 2 seed, and also me that referred you, I'll be getting 10% of the of your own mining. Remember, this is not going to be affecting your own coin. Rather, it is automated that the seed team or the seed Telegram project is gonna be giving me automatically 10% of your earning from their balance, not from your own balance. And if you invite someone with a premium account, you both will get 10 seed, and I will be earning 10 or 20% of the person's earning. Okay, remember I say this won't affect the amount of coin that you earn. So right now I believe this is how you can actually go around this, and this is actually how you copy your referral link. When you click right here, your referral link will be copied, and then you can share it with anyone that you like. We have the home page right here. You can see I have already explained this home page, and right now you can see that I have to wait 7 hours and 2 minutes before I can actually be able to claim this right now. Okay, so this is how simple it is, and I believe you have gotten enough value out of this video. Right now the last question is the listing date for this airdrop. So when I click right here, guys, on airdrop section, you can see that they said something right here, which they said listing date is on November. The actual date on November is not yet revealed, but they just say that it is on November. It could be at the beginning of November or at the end of November, but all that we know and sure of is that they are gonna be listing on November. Okay, so this is how simple it is. I believe you have gotten enough value out of this video. Please do let me know what you think about this project on the comment section, and I'll be ready to respond to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video that is gonna be dropping very soon. Peace out, and of course, do have a lovely day.